So we have let's do it like this. 1.12, 1.102, 1.5, and 1.1211. So what am I doing? I'm lining these all up by the dots. And so we can see from digit to digit to make a comparison. And I'm gonna round these out so they all have the same number of digits. How do I do that? Well, if it stops here, I can just add zeros. So they all have 4 digits after the decimal. And these zeros continue on indefinitely, but after this is pointless because they're all gonna have zeros. It's not gonna make for showing any significant differences. So now how do we determine which is biggest? Well, we go from left to right. First, we look in the unit spot and see if there's any number that's bigger than the others. No, they're all equal to 1. So this doesn't help us, right? We kind of move past that. Then we go to the 10th spot. We look for the biggest number here and check it out. I see 1.5. So that means this is number 1, right? So at this point, this guy dominates, and that's the first digit that we've seen a difference. This is the biggest. All right, cool. Now we're only looking at these 3. So now let's go to the next digit. We got a 2, a 0, and a 2. Well, we've got a tie now between here and here. How do we do the tiebreaker between these 2 guys? We got to go to the 1000 spot. Okay, this guy's not even in the running anymore because it's smaller than both of these. So what does that tell us? This is smaller than this and this. Therefore, this is my 4th place winner. Let's knock him out. Now it's between who gets second. So they're equal here. Let's go to the next digit, to the thousands place. We got a 0 here, we got a 1 here. So this guy wins. It's coming in second. And of course, 3rd place goes up here. So if we were to put it, this is again the biggest, right? The crocodile, the alligator mouth eats the biggest number. So 1.5 over here, 1.1211 over here. That's 2nd place. 3rd place is 1.12, and 4th place is 1.102. All right, let's see this guy here. 5.205, 5.2. I'm gonna round it out with more zeros. 4.1891. Add zeros here to make those equal. You see how I'm being very careful with my placements. And then 5.25 and add 2 zeros. All the dots are lined up nicely. Now let's do our comparison. We got a 5, 5, 4, 5. Okay, so right off the bat, we see a difference here. This is clearly smaller than these 2 guys. These rest of these digits don't even matter because this one is smaller than all 3. We already know 4th place goes here. Now let's look at these guys. We got a 3-way tie for first. Let's go to the next one, see if this tie breaks it. We got a 3-way tie again for first, 2, 2, 2, so there's no discernible difference. Go to the next column, 0, 0, tie again, but then a 5. So this is the biggest because this is the first time we have discrepancy, and it's for this guy. Therefore, we already know this guy's number 1. And now we're just comparing against these 2. We're looking to see who comes in 2nd place. So we know 5s match up, 2s match up, 0s match up, and now we get to the thousands digit. We see a difference. We see a 5 up here, a 0 up here. Therefore, this guy's bigger. This guy gets the 2nd place, and this one gets 3rd place. And now let's translate it over here. 5.25 is our winner. This guy is in last place, so we'll put him all the way there. Then we've got 5.2 is in 3rd place right here, and 5.205 there.